Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig right here. So if you haven't seen the video on how I transform this hair from black to this beautiful color right here, I'll put the link in the description box down below, so be sure to check out that video. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be trying 3 new stuff. So I'm going to be trying the lace tint, the Wrapp-it, and also the face shield. Okay, so first and first, I'm going to go ahead and spray the lace using the lace tint spray. Okay, so the instructions said to hold the wig upside down and spray the areas where you need to spray evenly, making sure to hold the wig upside down. So for me, I'm only going to be spraying the front part of the wig, so as you can see right here, leaving the back. So yeah. All right, so I've already went ahead and put on my wig cap. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and hook the hook right there. Just go ahead and hook it in place. Okay, so I'm only going to be securing the front part of the wig in place, so I won't be spraying the back or gluing the back of the wig down. So I'm only going to be securing the front part in place. So right here, I'm going ahead to place the wig where I want it to sit first before going ahead to push it back or to do any of that stuff. So right here, I'm going in with a paper towel, and I'm going ahead to wipe off the excess oil off my face for the next step. Okay, so this is the face shield right here. So usually when I apply my wig, right, I have to close one of my eye and then spray the got-to-be spray. For this time around, I won't be closing my eyes. Okay, both of my eyes will be open, fully open. Okay, so I just took the shield out of the package and peel off the paper, so that way I can apply it on my forehead. As you can see right here, I'm just going ahead to apply that on my forehead, making sure to press it down. It's really easy to apply, as you can see right here, no extra step needed. So I bought the face shield from my local supply store here in Abu Dhabi, but for the lace tint, I bought that on Amazon. Okay, so now that that is done, it's time to move on to the next step. Sorry guys, so right here my camera decided not to focus. Please just bear with me on this very clip. The next ones are really like super clear and focused. So I'm just going to explain what I'm doing so that way you guys can understand it. Okay, all right, so right here I'm going in with the got-to-be spray, and I'm going ahead to spray it on the areas where I want the lace to sit. As you can see right here, both of my eyes are open. I'm not scared of spraying my eyes. Okay. As you can see right here, also I just like went in just to give it a little test to see if there'll be like a leakage on the bottom, but nothing, no leak, nothing like that. So it's actually perfect, and this is awesome. Okay, well, hold on, let me take it back a bit. Hold on a minute. Okay, so after spraying the got-to-be spray, I used the hand dryer to kind of blow a little bit of air on it, so make sure it's a bit sticky before going ahead to place the wig on top. As you can see right here, I'm going ahead to press the wig down and also hold it down. So next, I'm going to take the hand dryer again and blow more air on it. At the same time, I'm using my fingers to press and tap everything in place. Okay, like I was saying, this right here is awesome. Okay, it actually cuts down the time you spend in cleaning the excess spray after you're done. So this is really nice. I love it. I really love this face shield. So right here, I'm going ahead to tuck the side of the ear in place, and again using my fingers to press it in place. You can see the excitement in my face, right? Like, yeah, this is really good. I love this thing. And it's quick, easy. Look at that. Clean, easy. Look at that. Love it. Okay, so now that that is done, you can see my camera is back on focus. Yeah. Okay, so the next step now is to create baby hair. So to lay down the baby hair, I'm going in with the with my edge tamer. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the baby hair down. So moving on to the next step, it's time to lay down the baby hair. Tie the baby hair down and the edge of the wig in place. So I'm going to be using the Wrapp-it styling strips. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull one strip out. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit while I unravel the coils or separate the coils. So to do that, I just sprayed a little bit of oil in my palm, and right now I'm just going ahead to run that through the hair and also to separate it, the coils. Okay, so now that I'm done separating the coils, it's time to start the wig the way I want it. And right here, I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to kind of lift the roots of the hair up. So next right here, I'm going to be using a combination of water and styling mousse. So for the water, I'm going to be spraying it on top of the hair on the side, making sure not to spray it close to the root of the hair or close to the front of the wig, because the got-to-be spray is water removable. So I don't want water to touch the edge of the wig or the front of the wig. So right here for the front, that's where the styling mousse come in. So I pump a little bit right here, as you can see. So next I'm going in with my little comb, with a Wrapp-it comb, and I'm taking a little bit of the styling mousse, and I'm using that to comb the front of the hair, making sure not to touch the root of the wig or the very front of the wig, because again, the got-to-be spray is water removable. Okay, so next I went ahead and clip the hair out of the way so that way I can go and do my makeup off camera. So once I'm done with that, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So for the next step right now, I'm going in with my foundation to clean up the part, as you can see right here, to clean up the side part. So apply the foundation, and next I follow up with my fingers to tap it in place. So now that that is done, this is how it's looking. Love it. For the final touch up, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the side with hair clips. I'm using a red color and a pink color. As you can see, it looks like kind of blends in with the hair. All right, guys, so this is it right here. This is the wig. Like I said earlier, if you haven't seen the video on how I transformed this wig from black color to this beautiful pink hair color right here, I'll put the link in the description box down below, so be sure to check out that video. All right, guys, so this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.